Okay, what I'm going to do here is show you how to patch a blemish in the wall. That texture's off and there's a big gap there. You can see it. Anyway, I'll show you how to patch that and make that right. Again, I'm using that thin set, that sheetrock thin set mud from Home Depot. Sets up in 45 minutes. What we do is get the mud on there, lay it across the area. There we go. And to avoid not having to sand, what I'll do is let that set up for a few minutes and I'll come back with a wet sponge and wipe it off and you won't have to sand it. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. It's starting to set up, you can see it. So you take a wet sponge and you go around the perimeter of the patch. Like so. And after you get the perimeter done, you just lightly go over it real easy. Just real easy. There you go. And with there you don't have to sand it. Yeah, buddy. Just like downtown.